Building owners in Portland, your energy bill didn't just jump overnight. It crept up because your filters are clogged and your system's overcompensating. It might feel fine, but it's costing you a fortune every month. At Arctic Heating Refrigeration, we provide regular maintenance on your rooftop units. We build our business based on customer loyalty. If units looking fine, we'll say so. If it's about to fail, we'll show you why. And if you haven't kept up on your maintenance, that bill's gonna sting. Most building owners push it off. Instead, be the smart one. Take action now. Want peace of mind before the next summer rush? Lock in your maintenance now. So please, click below. Answer a few questions. Let's have a call.